I'm trying to make my freaking costume. This is what I'm gonna wear. Just tape it to my face. Welcome to Stuff on Saturday. I'm Casey, and today I'm making the mask for my Plague Doctor's costume. This will be the first video of a video series about me making my costume. We might do a side series about Anna making her costume, but we don't know yet. So this morning I created a pattern altered from the one you'll find in the description below for my mask and how I want to make it. Here are the goggles that I got for a steampunk costume a few years back. I'm gonna cut that lace off, but I already broke them apart. I'm gonna Dremel them down so they're smooth, and then I'm gonna glue these onto the mask for the lenses. Yeah. So this is my first time working with craft foam or EVA foam, and I have no clue how it will go. I have no clue if this is the right size I needed. Let's go. I'm doing my best not to waste any of this craft foam, because if I can, I'm also going to use it for gloves, maybe a corset, maybe a hat. I mean, I didn't get a lot because I just assumed that I would only be using it for the mask when I first got this size. I'm trying to make my freaking costume.
It's kind of stupid. No offense. Like right now, it looks kind of stupid. Hey, look.
I have no clue what I'm doing. Next, I am going to glue the two eye pieces, or face pieces, main face pieces, together. My hands are so cold, I don't think I'm gonna get burnt. So I've glued everything together. Next, I'm going to smooth everything out with the Dremel, maybe add a bit more hot glue, and then spray paint it black and add the elastic straps. Oh, I also have to add the goggles. That'll be all for today. I'll finish up tomorrow morning. Bye.